Hi, I've been getting a lot of questions from you all about codes that your bike is throwing and what this means and what should they do. Well, I'm going to talk to you today about the most critical part of that code, and it's the letters at the end. What do they mean? And I'm going to give you a trick to help you figure this out. So hang out and let's talk about, dang, my Harley just threw a code. What do I do? Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for stopping by and checking out the channel. If you're a member of the nation, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I have no idea what it means to me, but if you'd like to be a member of the nation, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming episodes. All right, so lately a lot of you have been asking me questions about, hey, my bike's throwing this code, what do I need to do? What does this mean? How do I handle this? And I wanted to get into this a little bit and give you some advice and give you a little education on those letters at the end. They can mean the world. So most of the codes that your bike will throw, it's basically an industry-wide code that's going to mean the same thing, even if it was on a car. So what you can do is you can go in and Google that code and it'll tell you what's going on with your bike. It may not mean a darn thing to you, but it'll mean a lot to your mechanic. Now, the key is those darn letters at the end of that code. It's going to be a C or it's going to be an H. So what's the difference, right? You're going to love this. If you get a C behind your code, that means it's currently happening. Your bike is experiencing that episode now. So it hasn't gone away, you've still got it. If your code has an H at the end, good news is that means it's history. That means your bike's not doing it. It was something that happened in the past, and for whatever reason, the bike is not having it happen right now. All right. Now you can clear the codes on your bike, but I recommend you don't do that if you're going to see a mechanic. Why, you ask, right? I don't want to see that light on there. I don't want to see the code. I'm going to clear it out. Don't do that because it gives your mechanic a place to start. Otherwise, when you bring it in and they go, I don't know what it's doing, it's not throwing a code, and you're going, well, dang it, you have no idea what you're doing, you're a bad mechanic. No, you killed it. You killed the history. So I'm going to give you the tool that will make things so much better for you. Here it comes. You're ready for this? Here it comes. It's your phone. Take a dang picture of the code before you decide to clear it. Or write it down. But this gives them some place to start. I don't know how many times I've talked to my mechanics and mentioned, you know, this is going on. They say the worst thing is somebody will clear a code and they don't know where to start and they get lambasted for it. So don't clear the codes until you take that picture or write it down, and make sure you put the H or the C at the end. That way they'll know, is it currently going on or is it history? Now, you're going to want to make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be showing you how to clear those codes in an upcoming episode. Again, hopefully this will help some of you figure out what the heck's going on with your bike and give you a little peace of mind. If you got that H, it's history. If you got that C, you got a current problem. All right, thanks again so much for stopping by. If you'd like to be a member of the nation, remember, it's free. All you need to do is hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell. Ride safe, and I hope to catch you on the highways.